Hi guys, just want to show you in a short video how to use the new tracking function, for example, to blur my face. I just took this footage on my balcony. It's super low quality, it's completely rubbish, but it doesn't matter. It's just for demonstration purposes how to use this Final Cut Pro tracking function, which is has coming with version 10.6, and it's quite fun to use. If you found out how it's working, so I put that clip into a project. It's a 4K project, and then I put the playhead to the beginning where I want to start the tracking. And let's say I want to cover my face. So I take, for example, the Gaussian blur effect and drop it over my face, and the artificial intelligence detects my face, and I let go the left mouse button. Then I increase the size a little bit and turn that a little bit into a position I think it's better, and then I say Analyse, and the rest is done by Final Cut. It's analyzing my head, and well, from that point on you can say done. Unfortunately, if you say done for the first time, you cannot go back and do some additional tracking or some fixes. For example, here where is it? Here my ear shows through, and that's not good because surveillance systems may detect your personality just by the ear. So if you make a bank robbery, always wear something which is covering your ears. Okay, so let's go to this position where I can start to see my ear. That's somewhere here. Then I turn this a little bit down, make it a little bit wider, pull it over my face a little bit, and I reanalyze the whole thing. And you see there again was another position where my ears are no longer covered, and that's here. So I go to this position and just let's switch off the scrubbing, make it a little bit wider, put it a little bit towards to my face, say Analyze again. Yes, and now it keeps my ear into the green circle. No, here not. You see that was another position, about here. That's the tricky thing. You know, if you have perfect footage, it's all no problem, but if you don't have perfect footage, it's just always the tricky thing how to get things like that fixed, and that's why I made this video. Okay, yes, now I like it, now my ear is always completely covered. Now you can say done, and that's it. The problem is just only do not click on this done before you didn't apply this reanalyzing fixes. So that's it. Hope you have fun with the video, and bye bye. Have a nice weekend.